Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. In today's video, Amma is sharing a really easy and simple recipe. You might be familiar with Puri, but in this Puri, Amma is incorporating sweet potato and mustard greens, also known as raya ko saag. It will taste just like your normal Puri, but with a little bit of sweetness. So let's take a look at the ingredients. We will need some chopped mustard greens, 170 grams of boiled sweet potatoes, 350 grams of wholemeal chapati flour, some water, and oil. Let's begin by grating our boiled sweet potato. An alternative option is to just chop or mush them into smaller pieces. Then in a mixing bowl along with the chapati flour, add the boiled sweet potatoes, followed by the mustard greens and some oil. Then mix it all together. Slowly the ingredients will start to stick. Shortly after, introduce some water into the mixture and continue to knead it. Keep kneading until you have formed one solid dough. To make the puri, form smaller pieces of dough balls. Lightly cover the small dough ball and roll out into a medium-sized circle. Repeat this process until you have rolled out all of the dough. Achieving round puris on your first attempt may be difficult, and this will take some practice. The main thing is to ensure you evenly roll out the dough and there is no inconsistency with the thickness. Our rolled out dough is stacked in a pile and they're ready to be fried. Now the next step is to fry the dough. As demonstrated by Amma, gently place the rolled out dough and use your cooking utensil to put some pressure on the dough and spin it slowly. The dough will start to puff up, then flip it over and apply light pressure until it expands to its fullest. Our dough has now transformed into puri. You can now lift it and tilt it diagonally to allow the oil to form, and then place it on a plate over a kitchen towel so that it can dry. Now all you have to do is repeat the same steps again. Now that the puri is cooked, you can enjoy it with some aloo dum, achar or jalebi. It actually even tastes really nice on its own too. In case if you are curious, this is what it looks like on the inside of the puri. You will see tiny speckles of mustard greens, and due to the sweet potato, the texture is slightly more softer than a regular puri. And that concludes today's video. Once again, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!